Let me tell you, man, we go like ice cream. No boy can go wrong with.
Been on the market, sing on your short dress. A bad girl, me like this. A bad girl, me like must have been sweet that.
Oh yeah, we're just on our way.
When we got
We're going to Old Street and we're going to stay in Central. So it's quite like close to everything. We're literally like there, so everything is like close by, like the beaches, the bars, the shops, just everything. So yeah, yes, and that's where we're going to stay, and we're staying for 2 nights. I didn't finish getting ready, guys. Like, I just did my makeup, my hair just needs straightening up. I left my straighteners, guys. You know why I left it? Because it's downstairs. Sorry, and I was meant to like bring it up. So guys, basically we're coming back down tomorrow because we need to swap the car. So I'm just going to pick up everything that I've got. Yeah. Anyways guys, my battery is running low. So when I get to where we're staying, I'm going to charge my battery and start vlogging again. So I will see you all soon. Hi guys, as I was saying, we're here now at the place that we booked. Well, not the place that we booked. I'm a little bit annoyed because we booked this place, but when we got there they said that they were having like electricity problems that's been going on all day, so they put us in a different room at the moment, which I don't like, so I'm quite upset. So they put us in like a different room. It's got 2 single beds. It's not got a kitchenette, it's not got a little kitchen, it's just got a room and a bathroom. So I'm quite upset. Like, I was literally crying because I'm really upset. Like, the other room was like really nice. I'll show you the other room. Anyways, we're gonna go and grab something to eat now, so I'll check in back soon. I'll just show you the room quickly. So this is the entrance. 2 single beds, guys, and then TV stuff there. There, I'm not even laughing. Closets, and then this is the bathroom.
Not leaving, just believe. Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention, attention, girl. Made you pour in your direction. to you. Make we take a walk tonight. How we spend our years, baby.
We are going to Caribbean.
You're gone, yeah.
It's a mixture.
Children, tell a girl, get a girl and just go get your children. Get a girl and just go get your children. Girl have been up in a sitting, me no know. Something where me never see in a no show. As the video is a send it up a flow.
I can't want it for your baller. I'm gonna get it for baller. Yeah. When you fuck me so good, so me know you are real G.
Get the supplicant, get the nuts, get the nothing made. Get it up, turn it to your head. Get a girl and just go get your children. Get a girl and just go get your children.
Come here now, step my food out. Me no matter about you and me no care about that. You don't talk in my face. Say them run place, I run that.
You feel so good. My love all my pussy just like grab your one. I can't hold it. Baby, I can't hold it.
Can't believe that. Can't believe that. Taking girl away from me. She wanna.
Let me tell you, man, me cool like ice cream. No boy can go wrong with.
30 mil a feel because they alone. Short, alien girl, pussy teleport. Shelly tell Kerry says she own. Make we have a 3-way, call it a telephone. Get the coats,
Wine and the robot wine, the body come back again, the country whole wine. Robot wine and the robot wine. Boom, body come up here behind. Robot wine and the robot wine. Nice. I know if you girl ever catch the style, this a fit girl with a cocky ninja. Make up the face with your body. Quick your neck, drop your shoulder. Bend up your foot, back up your bum. Rock up your body, funny body, feel that good wine. Robot.
here the time, so cook say no say. Me go here the wife. Now she say oh me is a one of a kind. And that's how she became mine. And see that. In a my dog glass, cut off shots, claps, well clean. But you hold in the blood clot team. See a girl up on the corner, cry and a scream. You know so the boss a feel
that man in. And I saw the things sent to Jane. One phone call is get to make some boy wipe up her earth and drop down flat.
Love the fuck feeling. Oh, I feel everything in me. Hold up the hand, make it bustle.
Can't believe I, can't believe I, taking girl away from me, oh no.
Back up, girl, wine for me. Me have plans for your type for me.
G, my cow let me a ball on. Put me up a ball on. How you fuck me so good, B? That's how me know you are real G.
Yeah, yo, I have so much attitude, my girl. One buckler and with
Side pussy, girl, calm down yourself. Me have something for your wine up yourself. Streets anywhere we go. God them serious. God them no nervous. They don't really know love. Let the light keep shining every minute. We ain't giving it up. Lord, all those things I've been through in my life. And all those fights keep me strong. I know my words are what. Lord, I'm one of
yeah, man. Big up all live vloggers, them worldwide. Hey guys, I'm just here. You're coming on my vlog. So guys, I'm just here. Yeah, we start over again. So hey guys, I'm just here vlogging. You know how we do, we vloggers, we just walk around and do nothing but talk, and you know, I'm here, it's me again, you know. Eh? Oh, hey guys, here's my book, man. Here is Crystal Barrymore. We're in Galchester. Yeah. And everyone is here. This is Tanto. Tanto is running. That is Malia. See her there? Movie star. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you mean movie star? Movie star. Oh, you mean? Movie star. I'm done, Simon. So this is what the place look like, yeah. This is Crystal Barrymore's place, Manchester, Clarendon. Yeah. That is up the road. That's some kids coming with ice cream because they want to be in the video light. Those are Talia friend them. Yeah. Movie star. What's the wire? Movie star.
Don't get wet, Malia.
You want to get wet?
Don't get wet because we're going back up soon.
It's time to get wet. Oh, nobody sees.
Malia.
We put the power water.
Okay.
Can you go for one bucket to catch fish?
No.
Oh, we can't catch fish in it. No.
Be careful.
Stop. Minä menen water. Minä menen water tossa. Hey, I'll get that job. this off of me point too. Man, that's fuck. Hey.
Take off one. You have to stop that.
Oh, what are you gonna do?
Oi. Put down back your shirt.
You're not leaving, just believe. Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention, attention, girl. Major pour in your direction. That's my intention, intention, girl. Let me give you. Come and let me talk to you. Make we take a walk tonight. Always spend your years, baby. Everything I'ma want to you. You can't tell me your darkest secrets. I'ma swear upon my life, now leak it. Girl, like you have my heart, but for keep it. Just believe. Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention, attention, girl. Major pour in your direction. That's my intention, intention, girl. Let me give you some. All of the late night sex where you want, I'ma squeeze by your breast, them girl. None of my ex, me no want, don't worry. Me not text them, girl. Make we fucking at the cold when it's freezing. We a fuck all day, all evening. Me a turn up on your gate, not leaving. Girl, let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention, attention, girl. Major pour in your direction. That's my intention, intention, girl. Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention, attention, girl. Major pour in your direction. That's my intention, intention, girl. Let me give you. Yo, how are you? Right now, feel like say I'm on one of them late night sex days, Yo, let's go outside. I go see Benz. You know what though? I don't know a president beat, man. Just call me anytime I'm ready. Yeah. Let me give you. You're not leaving, just believe. Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention, attention, girl. Major pour in your direction. That's my intention, intention, girl. Let me give you. Come and let me talk to you. Make we take a walk tonight. Always spend your years, baby. Everything I'ma want to you.